Mahosagi Fibam Kannabagi Pandamda recent advances in human and environmental sciences ICRA HES 2026 haina mingthonba international conference ama ngasidagi hokre numinini chathagadaba international conference asi bridging Indian knowledge system with modern innovations haibagi wakhalon ga loinana Manipur University gi Jubilee Hall da MU gi Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendrana haudokhibane conference asi MU gi School of Human and Environmental Sciences na Manipur Lenga ke Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Department of Art and Culture, INA War Museum, Moirang amasung Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya Bhopalga khutsamnaduna pangthokpane thoramaduda Professor Lokendrana Malemasi Science amasung Technology gi maramda fajana chawkhatpa ngamle adubo environment ka mari lainaba issue kaya ama miyamna thengnaba ngamdabagi miyoibagi hakchangda akaiba kaya pirakle maramasina miyoiba khunaina thengnariba issue ase koknaba hotnabada scientific innovation khakta natana India gi leizariba traditional knowledge system amasung cultural practicing so punna khangminaba mathau tai haike conference sida Professor Singh mari lainaba official Singh research scholar amade mahiroi kayana sarukyari.
In the context of Northeast India, including states such as Manipur, the relationship between people and nature is particularly deep and meaningful. The region's rich biodiversity, wetlands, forests, and traditional land use practices provide valuable examples of how ecological balance can be maintained through community participation and indigenous wisdom. Strengthening research in these areas can contribute not only to regional sustainability but also to global environmental understanding. I'm confident that the deliberation during this 2 days conference will generate new ideas, innovative research directions,